Hi, I'm Leo. Do you know how easy it is to bring your old jewelry and coins to Family Pawn and trade them in for cash?
How easy?
It's way easy.
But Leo, that bracelet is broken.
That's okay.
But Leo, those coins are really old.
They're still worth money at Family Pawn. Broken jewelry, old coins, it doesn't matter.
Family Pawn does not support children sitting on the edge of the counter. Family Pawn does, however, support and endorse children, parents, in the selling of gold and silver.
With Coach Daryl Larson, head coach of the Panthers. Coach, we were talking on the radio just a moment ago about how dominant Cody Wilstead was. There was like a 5 or 6 minute stretch in the second quarter where he was blocking shots, he was getting rebounds, he was scoring points. What a phenomenal player he was, and he showed it in that stretch, didn't he?
He did. I mean, he makes us look good as coaches because he makes up for a lot of mistakes that happen out there. He just makes us look good as coaches. I mean, when you have a kid like that, you can do a lot of good things, and the good thing about it, he's only a junior. So, hopefully, he comes back and doesn't go off to D1 school too soon for us.
I don't think he can go pro yet, at least.
Yeah,
so.
pro, exactly.
But, it's not just about Cody. You had some other great players. I'm sure it was fantastic to have Jack Bangeter back as well.
We're a different ball team with Jack. I mean, he does some good things. I don't know if you noticed, there was a play where he got a steal, but he was on the right side of the court, and they threw it over to the left side, and he came around and picked it from the other end. His speed, agility, athleticism, his three-point shooting spreads the floor. He gives us another option. His toughness, it's just good to have Jack back, and we're a whole team right now. So looking forward to Wednesday.
Can you talk real quick about the Bangeter clan and how I believe it was Will came home tonight, right?
Right. Will came home tonight off his mission from Brazil. It was interesting talking to him. He came up, gave me a big hug, and love you, coach. Thanks for all you do. And it really hit home. Really touched my heart, the fact that you have a small part in a young man's life, but for him to come home and then you have Jack getting to play, and this was the first time since Pee Wee Leach or something, his mom was saying, that all 6 Bangeter boys were in the gym watching, and so we were able to get Steve in and Jack playing. So Steve hit three free throws.
Fantastic, great win for you guys. I know you got a big one coming next Wednesday night. Any thoughts real quick on the Snow Canyon Pineview game?
It's going to be tough. I mean, Godfreyson is a very powerful young man inside. We're going to have to really contain him. Hopefully, I don't know if he really can. And then they do a great job of pressing us. We're going to have to take care of the ball. And like I said, we have to win the rebounding and the turnover battle and be able to shoot 80% from the line in order to give us a chance to win. It's going to be I think it's a huge night. I think it's going to be a great night. I'm looking forward to it. But right now, I'm just excited to be able to enjoy a win. Like I told you, Andy, I'm never going to take for granted a win.
Congratulations, Coach.
Thank you. Appreciate it.